Tigana Hana NDC for catcher say so sourcing or single sourcing. Actually, the law is single sourcing. Dear a baby a yusu say or the ball of mine chrono. I'm gonna call you. That will be a name, sir. So we are so sourcing. Obokrono. I'm gonna call say or 2 days say chrono. And to say what baby didn't say chrono. Now you who say, oh, yeah. So you crop for. Oh, you're crop for. By extension. But one hour car, you name. Into young funny say, yeah, over there, bonny, but you say a bonny. And I Jesus, oh, buy. So I deal with your bonny. I Jesus, what catch you? Yeah, oh, no, yeah, the chrono say, a bonny. Now, oh, yeah. Into one. Say, yeah, bonny now, you know. And this is for. A chrono no mobile. Now, a baby a train one almost say, Microphobia a yusu at the ball of mine chrono. And then, on my babemu, by how many hours ni? Baby, on my tabemu, by many hours, many days, many weeks, many months. Evidence in the way, Bono. Send a man for the ball or money chrono. Evidence in a way. But this answer, no. Only so I the ball chrono. No, ba our the ball chrono ankasa. Because they are now all you know. No, nim say a bonnet. No, nim say the ball chrono. But on the year abwa Ghana me akoso. And I own I wouldn't say a chrono. After the waba now the ball chrono ankasa. Enti sa so saucy adiwe. A cry be anywhere, and this is for convince you be. Almost a big push open in term, open in term. I know more than can say, 24-hour economy, Maba, Munya, Omoka, then Omoka, almost a more 4-year mandate. In the 4-year mandate, you know, now, which you know, Mama Cross say, well, grant interview, you're saying that 4 years, you know, as soon as some mining say, and the big push in an honor free and a pen in term. And then kofa ho say a pentamenti area competitive bidding. Now the truth of the matter is that the wisdom of doing competitive bidding a value for money. And apart from say
no
I impatcho say ye nyam faso say sika no e betumi da yendo ma bebre na ya pe say omo a e pe say ye adwuma no ye biemu say nipa 10 na be ya obi a be pe say obenya adwuma na ye nti no obepe kwan bi so obeye ama bo na bafom nti say obako for the adwuma no ma na obetumi aka say o meje be 1000 but who say nipa pe adwuma no do so you can say mo station na adwuma bi vacancy bi abeda ho na my advertising. But what I say, nti nipa ne ba na interview ko so atotore bia ga so okay wo so salary no expected be high.
Of course.
But say nipa ne hu so no nkwa na ya friend interview. Na no nkwa na e wo ho abetuma adwuma no. Obetuma ba pay bia because oni say ono no or monopoly. But who be mu na nipa no do so a hwe that eno a na me check ministry no website, Ministry of Roads and Highways website. Number of companies are our good standing. Construction companies is in excess of 2,000 companies in Ghana. According to the ministry, no, they are in good standing. About 2,700 nichri. But what they say now, what freba akupe? So the contract mano. Now do na ewo. But only now they are in good standing. The emphasis is they are in good standing. A1, B1, they are all in good standing. What for bako? Actually, say on nkwa na betuma adwuma no. Enti okoba sorry no catch say obeji 800 million. Or 804 million. No, they are the purpose so kwan. No earlier. No so no or no I all sign yen keke. After you know or sign fast wire no. Resurfacing no or again no.
Say all sell gusu keke.
Masa. Na ono kwa eji 804 million. Now to me say a chrono because you be more anka afufro be ba ka so said more be tumi aye no be 100,000 po 2,000, 200,000 the entire because na pre nipa be 2,700 near companies are and they are registered with Ministry of Roads and Highways are they are in good standing or much na ejuma wako frɛ baako also wako frɛ baako revelations are you from Fourth Estate any omo document omonya
Media Foundation
for West Africa omo document omonya bono kyerɛ sɛ aya say ya chiche kwan mu mpo say lot ntino we baji ne nyina single source enti lot A B C and D as say nipa osibesi baako osibesi we kombi kofi ni amani we mu na anaje ya de nyina ya chiche ne lot do na asa de amani pa baako enti ya chiche de yedai hwe the entire utumi usa ade ne ekrono na nokura baako mu ne say ade we no ye mfa nsua Ministry of Roads and Highways ade no fi efikasie mu ho na ade no fi President Mahama onye innocent of this thing onu because that big push ade we no ayo ono ankasa ana ode na no obeto na no mutuo say ye mfa ma wheelbarrow contractors
Jamfo ma nyina kwa basron kon de mobile Raz Media so ene show no koso ye be ko ni say ye be ni say video ye boatie ni ye pa esi e another video so ho a e another big expose ye be ye ho adwuma na ye tie nsem e wo me wi a ye biefo course na tum na so afre na wa kire wadwe basing on nsem a wo tie every day MPP communication director anum these are fact things are koso wo man no mu a aye underground things me abada na pia akwaba yi pa asas na me maame Esther K body maame sister me dofo ai edu ba bia ma se maame ni nyina aye bia me chia wo yi pa asas na me sister Deborah me chia wo so yi pa ma akwaba enti mama let's listen to the video very well and later you be phone call no tuma we are going to talk about this issue sir sabio exposes akese aye koso e wan DC amanyoko no momento aso
yes anokai ye for makuba contractors enti kire say ne ni bedi ekire enti de ekoba nyina ye ka no ekire obama instruction say ye nkoye report ye nkoye saade we anya dia happen on his blind side he's aware say de ekoso ni no wo hwe say President Mahama omobaye ministry after ministry, department after department. They are not funding activities in any other place. Maybe on person scanner call, no more chedino, a honest scanner call. And now only had no and a minister for education. Or can say Sika on the page man or finance minister. Woko agrika funding bianco. You find the advice or your feed Ghana, Sikano him. Fertilizer instrument, one of the implementation handles there say you remember fertilizer 2025 ya ma obi fertilizer ukroma but you see ya implement ya di ya budget ya ma di sikano we he ya this scanning a big push this the first year 2025 budget or allocation for a big push was about 13.4 billion but I say and this year about 30.8 billion. Sikano koho and ye single source. Because the honor mudidi. The honor sikana kwa show mo de omoye. Oma kenyina teacher for ye ntiamo na wono nka ye den. O say big push contract ye penintem. Ye pekwan ye penintem aye nentem. Because I don't know as you see na me station be kasa no host ka me so nipa ewu kwan so ade na me kasa kwan ayi no enye emergency na me to me kasa na wo nipa ye dwuma ma 14 months the young man youth when you school aye yi na wonu ababa kira ade wakwakoye nurse dwuma 14 months na ekiri na wontua no sa nipa we ka kira o say me because one year you 15 months into the car I said betuma no and no one who say emergency
na kwa so yemfa one day yemfa bosome ba ko na
ye open item kwa na o hiamre na ye enti no ho emergency no e we compared to nipa no a ono aye adwuma ma wa se utia no wo dis kan koye kwai na wo ye kwa na ma hwan afa so wo ye kwan ma ko si sa bre no wo betua nipa ne ka wo ye kwan na so betua nipa ne ka no na nipa ne we nipa ne fa ho ko bokro no se nipa ne fa ho ye teacher wo nye ska anko school nkra no ai wo classroom e twen so ba be kire omade no na omo so so mo da chi so
contractor was ni nyina say
o ja say enti wo pa oni made e friend emergency a banka we na wo friend emergency te kwan a wo yi a kwan enku nipa se akunshia ba kwan so a ye nipa no a drive car recklessly and no has nothing to do with big push no big push and chire nipa say yes drive it a kwan no whilst it's important a baby from the beginning of this for the problem from colonial masters abreso na yi kwan a baby ba o to aso ye kwan MPP ba of roads in excess of 30,000 kilometers to be NT is not anything to do with emergency. Now after the Elmo Canwa, normal the emergency no aba emergency no urgency no interchangeably. And the crow agency agent. But what they say, but you can say be agent. But a crime ya oyi enye emergency bet ma to ye bo pepepe ne aye na omo dia fa the process no be ya you bring money value for money you bring value for money but because say abang say three say sika ni ho maybe I also there say a friend say ato is forcing Obi can call a back say a toe is falling. Okay, from forcing to falling. And wo maybe I would hear a toe force here. Where your fiscal discipline? Wait. What friend conform back who me and we good damn monje. Now one can agree price no, there's no competition. About in per competition. Why? Who they see cocoa for who the monopoly behavior. I'm out to need na yene o 2 meeting the person ye. They being see that Ghana see a cocoa boss. Yateso. Ye cat e obi akaya almost omuti. National Bishop Conference omo de honest to 50 omo de agenda de dan omo de ato. Pato they say omo na sha see corn wo bisa na LGBT asebi. Or static casting have the new baby or to be because Omar to pine. But I say, what was 7 President Mahama per competition? And to know you're ready. I don't know, say, or they Trump in the competition. So you think, what was to catch and say, LGBTQ, SEO, Nanayati. The best of children on Nebuchadnezzar. And no yate nti e be adwuma enti sa issue we no I think say a big issue and I'm expecting say sa a report here President Mahama si won confirm and answer so say he should respond to first Media Foundation for request ni nyina no on report reply now all the necessary information but in addition to that no I think say all those contracts no should be reviewed. I think so. They go back into it and say, are we getting value for all those contracts? I do it for competitive bidding. When I've the NDC for be justify so construction for no no more core staff be so mo nya adwuma when you adwuma no more employ mo nya adwuma na mo the staff fia bi na ye adwuma. Master, it's all your competitive bidding now. Who or company are ready? President Mahama some or car no the import of the car and say who borrow contractors no. I know your contractors are they run very lean on money. Since new contractor na pamobia because that sa bid no or bid no and engineers and adwumayefo with experience no more etna say a draw plan aye or calculation in projections ni na e dey ban so makobede enti say one yesa na ko money pan so source a ho na dey one man wheelbarrow company because ono onya adwuma no a asa okofre ni paba sa construction company no ayo wheelbarrow construction company but construction company worth its salt no is running. I know but me a advert ma obi construction company we Rolida President Kufabres no mo ye adwuma Ghana ha everywhere obekono omo office no busy say your contract any contract nipa ho engineers you engaged because that's how no so no obefa obenye adwuma no enti say papa che say fa ma who borrow contractors na aba say they are only sourcing adwuma yama no in excess of 146 million a company a nipa ba akopɛ na owo da omo sinite yi so a na kire say sa company no wheelbarrow construction company wheelbarrow majaja say enye company a edimu enye company edimu wheelbarrow enti President Mahama sama okan no adada ni biom enie dishonesty no enu bi ni say on fa wheelbarrow but enko wie kire no o de wheelbarrow enti na kire say de okan no okan yi adwene free so so no the oba be ni so the wheelbarrow into ochira o say hwesoro a no now they are getting far from because we dey catch us hwesoro nti onim say o hwesoro now they far from
right adiamba akoso kroma ni say petrol bo at the pump station ekosoro diesel bo